Although baka magsisi siya pag Eleazar, pero siya yung covered. So, he's in danger of busting out if he doesn't win this hand. He just needs to fade a king and a jack. But a jack showed on the flop. Now, Castillo is behind. He's down to 2 outs. Only one of those two aces ang makakasalba sa kanya. A player already folded an ace kanina. Turn is a deuce. One card to go, which will decide the fate of Eleazar Castillo. And it will not come. Wrong card to hit. Yung 5 ang tumama imbes na yung alas. And that's gonna be it for Eleazar Oloski Castillo. He's gonna exit